Welcome inside one of the most fascinating food factories in the modern world, where millions of avocados are transformed into liquid green gold. From endless avocado farms to giant crushing machines to powerful industrial centrifuges spinning at incredible speed, this is the extraordinary journey of avocado oil production. Today, we'll go deep inside a massive modern factory to discover how simple avocados become one of the world's most valuable cooking oils. And it all begins in the orchard. Under warm tropical sunlight, endless avocado orchards stretch toward the horizon. For months, these trees carefully grow and nourish millions of avocados until they reach the perfect stage of ripeness. Timing here is everything. If the fruit is harvested too early, oil content remains low. Too late, and the fruit becomes overly soft for industrial processing. That's why skilled workers carefully inspect each avocado before harvesting begins. Workers move rapidly through the rows, hand-picking only premium quality fruit destined for oil production. Large harvesting bins quickly fill with fresh avocados as the factory journey officially begins. Soon, enormous transport trucks loaded with fresh avocados leave the farms and head toward one of the world's most advanced avocado oil processing plants. This is where agriculture meets industrial engineering. As the trucks arrive, tons of avocados are unloaded onto gigantic conveyor systems, moving deep into the heart of the factory. The scale is enormous. Inside the facility, advanced optical scanning systems immediately begin inspecting every avocado. High-speed sensors analyze color, size, texture, ripeness, surface damage. Any defective fruit is automatically removed from the production line within milliseconds. Only the highest quality avocados continue forward. This strict quality control ensures the final oil remains smooth, pure, and consistent. Next comes industrial cleaning. Thousands of avocados tumble through massive stainless steel washing tunnels. Powerful jets of purified water blast away dirt, bacteria, and debris, while giant rotating brushes scrub the fruit clean from every angle. Food safety here is absolutely critical. Every avocado must be perfectly sanitized before processing continues. After washing, the avocados move toward automated cutting systems. Industrial blades slice every avocado open with incredible precision at high speed. Inside, the soft green flesh is revealed. Next, high-speed extraction systems rapidly remove the large central pits. Only the rich avocado flesh continues onward, because this creamy pulp contains the valuable oil. Unlike many vegetable oils extracted from seeds, avocado oil comes directly from the fruit itself. Now begins one of the most important stages in the factory. The avocado flesh enters gigantic industrial grinders. Massive crushing systems rapidly transform the soft fruit into thick green avocado paste. Conveyor screws continuously transport the paste into enormous stainless steel mixing tanks known as malaxers. Inside these giant chambers, the avocado paste is slowly mixed under carefully controlled temperatures. This process helps tiny oil droplets combine into larger droplets, dramatically improving extraction efficiency. Now comes the heart of the entire operation. The avocado paste is pumped into colossal industrial centrifuges. These powerful machines spin at thousands of revolutions per minute. Using extreme centrifugal force, the machines separate pure avocado oil, water, and remaining solids. The process is mesmerizing. As the centrifuges roar to life, streams of emerald green avocado oil begin flowing through polished stainless steel pipelines across the factory floor. Moments ago, it was whole fruit. Now, it has become liquid green gold. But the oil is not finished yet. Freshly extracted avocado oil still contains microscopic particles in moisture. To achieve perfect purity, the oil moves through advanced industrial filtration systems. Layer after layer of ultra-fine filters remove impurities while preserving the oil's nutrients, texture, and flavor. Some batches become premium cold-pressed avocado oil. Others continue into refining systems designed to produce lighter cooking oils with longer shelf life and milder taste. Every stage is monitored by advanced digital control systems to guarantee maximum quality. But before a single bottle can leave the factory, every batch of avocado oil must pass strict laboratory testing. Inside the factory's quality control laboratory, food scientists carefully analyze samples collected directly from the production line. Advanced testing machines measure purity, acidity, moisture levels, color consistency, and nutritional composition. Even the smallest variation can cause an entire batch to be rejected. This is the invisible science behind modern food manufacturing. Every bottle must meet exact international standards before it reaches consumers around the world. After approval, thousands of finished avocado oil bottles move toward the factory's enormous distribution warehouse. Towering robotic forklifts glide between endless storage aisles, stacked floor to ceiling with packaged products. The scale is breathtaking. Millions of bottles are prepared here for supermarkets, restaurants, hotels, and export markets across multiple continents. Advanced inventory systems track every shipment in real time. Nothing is left to chance. This massive warehouse operates like a perfectly synchronized machine. Now begins the final journey. Huge cargo trucks line up outside the facility as workers rapidly load pallets of avocado oil for transportation. Some shipments will travel across the country. Others will cross oceans inside gigantic shipping containers. Within days, these bottles will appear on supermarket shelves around the world. From North America to Europe to Asia, the factory never truly sleeps. Production continues day and night to meet the enormous global demand for avocado oil. So why has avocado oil become one of the fastest-growing cooking oils in the world? The answer lies in its versatility. Avocado oil is valued for its smooth texture, mild flavor, and extremely high smoke point, making it ideal for frying, grilling, roasting, and salad dressings. It's also widely used in luxury restaurants, health-conscious kitchens, cosmetic products, and even skincare manufacturing. What begins as a simple fruit eventually becomes part of millions of everyday products worldwide. From endless avocado orchards under the tropical sun to giant industrial extraction systems to perfectly sealed bottles shipped across the globe, this is the extraordinary scale of modern avocado oil manufacturing, an industry powered by agriculture, precision engineering, robotics, and innovation. Every avocado transformed, every machine synchronized, every drop engineered to perfection. And behind every bottle on a supermarket shelf lies one of the most fascinating factory processes on Earth. After filtration, the finished avocado oil flows into gigantic stainless steel storage tanks towering above the production floor. Thousands of gallons of oil are temporarily stored here before packaging begins. The scale of production is enormous. This single facility can process millions of avocados every year. Now begins the final transformation. Empty bottles race down high-speed conveyor systems. Automated filling nozzles dispense perfectly measured amounts of avocado oil into every bottle with incredible precision. Then come the caps, the safety seals, the labels, and the packaging systems. Massive robotic palletizers rapidly stack finished boxes for shipment around the world. From supermarkets to restaurants to kitchens across the globe, the product is finally ready. From a single avocado growing under tropical sunlight to a perfectly sealed bottle sitting on a supermarket shelf, this is the incredible reality of modern avocado oil production. A world where agriculture, robotics, food science, and industrial engineering combine to create one of the most valuable cooking oils on Earth. Every avocado harvested, every machine engineered, every drop perfected.